Hello, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Bope Tech TV. If today is your first time being in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime that I upload a new video. And I appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section because it matters to me a lot.
Hello, welcome once again. Today we are going to learn how to make another way of making money online through your mobile money, bank account, and your Trust wallet or Binance wallet. If you are someone who never make money online before, stay tuned to this video, watch it to the end. There are tips that I'm going to give you that will help you to earn faster, like fast. So for us not to waste time, let's jump into this. Please, if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel to receive more content like this. So let's continue now. This website here is willing to pay people to perform taxes. They sell goods online, so when you perform your tax, it makes them reach more audience to buy these goods. It's still legit and it's paying. So if you know you never make money online before, please check in the description. There is a link there. Use the link and it will move you to a registration form. So you fill in the details and register. They'll be asking for a code. Definitely the code from my link will automatically be in the registration form when you use my link. So don't go and purchase from anywhere. Use my link and create your account. For anything you can hit me back and I'll explain to you more. So for us not to waste time, let me go to this website and you see. Now this is how this website look like. When you use the link, it will send you to an interface like this. Let me type on this register and you see how it will look like, the registration form. Now they'll ask you to enter your number, your password, confirm your password and enter your dual password, and please enter your recommendation code. Automatically the recommendation code will be in the referral link when you use the referral link to create this account. So enter your name, your number, your password, confirm the password, and please enter the dual PIN. So you press in register to be successfully registered. So I already have account. I'll definitely log into this account. So let me log into this account and teach you how you also make your money in this website. So when you finish registering, it will bring you to this login interface. So you just log in. I already have an account, so I'm logging into my accounts. As I already said. Now this is how the website will look like. You can recharge, withdraw, invite friends, and there are many things we need to know about this website. First, this is home. Now we have trainee, which is 10 orders, commission rate. So when you have 20 Ghana cedis, you can earn up to 190 days. When you have 200 Ghana cedis, you can earn 900 days. When you have 1000 Ghana cedis, you earn what? So now, if you want to earn more, all you need to do is type in this referral, invite friends. Now copy your link and put it in your group or any of your social media pages, and you get more audience. When they register with your link, you earn a commission out from that. And we all know how referral works. So for the main purpose for us coming to this website is for us to perform daily taxes. They'll give you 20 Ghana when you register as first for you to use to work. So enter in the main taxes, which is tax in the middle. So when you type on this tax, it will move you to the tax form. So you'll be filling in the forms and you'll be earning daily commissions. So this is how it look like. This is my today results. I just registered this new account for this video purpose. So they'll give you 10 orders to perform daily. So they said automatic order mode. Tap on this automatic order mode. This will read like this and they'll give you your daily tax. But because I already finished mine, they'll said orders is finished. Sorry, network error. Let me read on one data and do this for you. Oh, yeah.
Hello. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So when you press on automatic order, they said say orders today has exist, so they only give you 10 orders per day. So that is how you'll be making your money. And if you want to upgrade, you will deposit into your account. These are the terms, details, the team members and team introduction. So if you want to know anything, we still make another video about this website, but today we are only talking about how you can make money from this. So thank you for you always being in this channel. Please share this video for us to go viral. Like this video and put your comment in the comment section. Thank you.